If you want to keep your body in shape and also if you want to lose fat, these are top 7 foods that I think should have everybody in the house. Let's get cracking! What's going on, dudes? Number 1 from today's list, green tea. Yeah, you heard me right. Green tea. In green tea, you will find high content of antioxidants, particularly catechins. Catechins? Do I say it correctly? I don't know. Drinking green tea can help enhance fat oxidation and improve overall metabolic rate. Don't forget, if we talk about green tea, we talk about good quality, real leaf green tea. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Yes, baby, that's my favorite. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, of course, which helps increase satiety and maintain muscle mass during weight loss. But choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugar. Just a few days ago, I bought this huge yogurt, 750 grams. It is full of protein, yeah, but I didn't notice that it was vanilla flavor. I'm not going to lie, it was so delicious. But to prepare this vanilla sweet flavor, they put cane sugar in there. I was like, oh my god, how could I buy this full sugar yogurt? Oh. And I was like, okay, well, I should eat it, but you don't do this. Don't forget, you can make it sweet with the honey. Just make sure you use raw honey, unpasteurized one. Number 3, leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula. Yeah, they are all low in calories, high in fiber, which can help you to feel full longer. They are also nutrient dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Number 4, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. High in fiber, high in antioxidants. If you got a sweet tooth, especially if it's summer, go get some berries, bro. Just remember, we have grocery store and we have farmer's market. I know if you go this way, it will be more expensive, but at least you know these are fresh, they are smaller. And what's the point to buy these palm size, huge, super cool, perfect strawberries from a grocery store in winter? Probably these are not fresh. Yeah, these are not fresh, don't buy them. I'm afraid these are just chemicals. If you want something really healthy, just mix the Greek yogurt with the berries. You have high protein, super tasty, full of vitamins dessert. 5, lean protein. Lean turkey, beef, chicken, fish can help keep you full and maintain muscle mass. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, which is important during your weight loss. Yeah, now I know meats are not for everybody. I can live without meat. I will eat just chickpeas, beans, vegetables and fruits for, let's say, whole week. I will be just okay. Lean protein really keeps me full. That's probably why I eat this. And also for like... Number 6, nuts and seeds. It could be like 6 and 7, but it's just like 1, like not like 6. Actually, it's like 3 words: nuts and seeds. So it's like it could be no. Nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds are very good sources of healthy fat. Yeah, if you're trying to lose weight, you need healthy fats. It also has protein, it also has fiber. Get some almonds or hazelnuts or pecans. I'd say this is a wonderful, satisfying snack that helps control hunger. Oh, I can't sit like this anymore. If you're a crazy nut lover and you will eat too much, you might gain some weight. So be careful. Arnie Schwarzenegger once said that 2 handfuls is pretty much enough. Number 7, whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice and oats provide fiber and essential nutrients. I'm holding oats because right now I have only oats. Again, it will keep you full, it will keep you energetic, and I don't know honestly what else I can tell about this stuff. It just try to eat oatmeal later, like your second breakfast, lunch, or something like that. Make sure it's not quick oats. Yeah. Spend some time, cook them, and your stomach will be like,
Oh, thank you.
Right now I want to use almost all 7 foods and to cook something really delicious and healthy. We start with the salad, a bunch of greens. I have cucumbers. Nice. Now I do like this. Hop, ha, 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 ho, ha. I know it's better to peel them, but not today. Top, 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 top. Put them in here. Lop. I also have some dill. Oh, wow. 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 Greek yogurt. Let's go. Little bit of salt, pepper. Now that was close. Bit of chia seeds. Flax seeds. Why not? Sesame seeds? Yes. Pumpkin seeds? Yes, sir. Mix it all together. If you're more lucky and you have garlic, don't skip garlic. Let's look at this. Isn't that gully mozzarella more than Christmas? Oh, where are you going? It's even tastier from the table. From the dirty, hairy table. Try this at home. Now we're taking this guy. I don't like the smell of tortilla. That's a whole grain tortilla. Slap. Now we put our greens like this. If you hear this sound, it means this is going to be a delicious. Ground beef a little bit with the curry. Oh la la. Okay, that means we should stop probably. Actually, could use like a plate. Whatever. I'm not a burrito guy. Massage a little bit. Who are you? Get the ladies and gentlemen. The healthiest high-protein burrito. Oh yeah, that's a candy. Let's have a bite. Oh my. Oh no, it's full of hair, This is really good. I recommend. Thank you for watching this video. You wanna say goodbye? Okay. Goodbye! Fly away. What's going on, dudes? Let's talk about foods. Come on, boys. You're starting your constructions right now?